The project is called PADME, which stands for Process Automation for Discrete Manufacturing Excellence. PADME is a part of the Strategic Innovation Program Production 2030 and is a collaboration between ABB, RISE, Mälardalen University and Level 21. The main idea of PADME is to investigate how the digitalized and proven systems of the production industry can be used in discrete manufacturing. This is to improve competitiveness and drive growth. To do this investigation, we have implemented a pilot system at ABB Robotics in Västerås.
In the process industry, we have learned that productivity is directly related to the level of collaboration between people, systems and equipment. To check if this is the case in the manufacturing industry, we interviewed a group of companies to measure their level of collaboration. We found islands of automation and separated systems. We also discovered that an overview and an understanding of the full picture was lacking. Based on this and the benefits we have seen in the process industry, we built a system where we connected all the production-related systems to a digital twin of an area in the factory. By visualizing and analyzing information from several systems connected to a digital twin model of the factory cells, we found that for every system we connected, the benefits increased.
We had just made a major reorganization of the robot assembly line and implemented new robot cells where robots are assembling robots. The big difference by using a collaborative process automation system in discrete manufacturing is that it gives us a platform which connects the different intelligent production equipment, systems and operators and visualizes relevant information for those who needs it. The platform connects the digital islands and share the information for short-term decision-making and can be used as a basis for analysis and continuous improvements. This is an enabler for our first steps into Industry 4.0.
The result is definitely interesting. We have found that there are great advantages with a collaborative system for discrete manufacturing. We have learned a lot during the project, such as technical challenges, that there are no general solution, you need to adapt to each company, and that getting all relevant production information in one platform is powerful.